For many travelers, Sapporo is famous for its world-class snow, winter festivals, and exceptional cuisine. Yet beyond its celebrated attractions lies another side of the city, a collection of beautifully designed boutique hotels where contemporary luxury, alpine-inspired interiors, and outstanding hospitality can often be enjoyed for far less than many visitors expect. As the capital of Hokkaido, Sapporo has developed a distinctive hotel scene that combines modern Japanese design with the warmth and comfort expected in a northern mountain city. Boutique properties, stylish lifestyle hotels, and refined luxury accommodation create memorable stays while offering remarkable value compared with many of Japan's larger metropolitan centers. Throughout the city, contemporary architecture blends seamlessly with natural materials and minimalist Japanese design. Elegant hotels feature warm timber finishes, soft lighting, carefully selected artwork, and welcoming public spaces that reflect both modern sophistication and Hokkaido's alpine character. Stepping inside many of Sapporo's finest hotels immediately reveals an atmosphere of calm refinement. Spacious entrance halls, designer furnishings, polished stone surfaces, and inviting lounge areas provide a relaxing contrast to the snowy streets and crisp winter air outside. One outstanding example is Cross Hotel Sapporo, where contemporary architecture is paired with stylish interiors and panoramic city views. Elegant guest rooms, beautifully designed communal spaces, and thoughtful attention to detail create a sophisticated experience while remaining surprisingly affordable throughout much of the year. Throughout the hotel, modern Japanese aesthetics combine with warm natural materials to create bright, welcoming interiors. Floor-to-ceiling windows overlook Sapporo's skyline, while restaurants and relaxing public spaces continue the hotel's refined design philosophy. Another exceptional choice is Hotel Monterey Edelhof Sapporo, a distinctive property inspired by classic European alpine architecture. Rich interior finishes, elegant public spaces, and carefully crafted decor create a unique atmosphere that blends international charm with Japanese hospitality. Inside, grand staircases, comfortable lounges, refined dining spaces, and beautifully designed guest rooms contribute to a memorable stay. Traditional design influences are balanced with modern amenities, ensuring both comfort and timeless style throughout the property. Travelers seeking boutique sophistication will also discover an impressive collection of smaller design-focused hotels across Sapporo. Many combine personalized service, contemporary interiors, locally inspired artwork, and intimate public spaces that provide a welcoming alternative to larger international brands. These boutique properties often highlight Hokkaido's natural character through timber finishes, stone textures, locally crafted furnishings, and subtle seasonal decor. The result is accommodation that feels both luxurious and closely connected to the surrounding landscape. One of Sapporo's greatest attractions is the exceptional value available across its premium hotel market. Stylish accommodation offering elegant interiors, spacious rooms, outstanding service, and modern wellness facilities frequently costs far less than comparable luxury hotels in Tokyo, Kyoto, or Osaka. Beyond the guest rooms, the hotels themselves become destinations to enjoy. Rooftop lounges, relaxing wellness facilities, beautifully designed restaurants, and comfortable communal spaces invite visitors to unwind after exploring one of Japan's most atmospheric winter cities. This remarkable combination of thoughtful design, outstanding hospitality, and excellent value has helped establish Sapporo as one of Japan's most rewarding destinations for boutique luxury accommodation. Many visitors arrive expecting unforgettable snow and famous cuisine, only to discover a sophisticated hotel scene that quietly exceeds expectations. Yet these elegant hotels are only part of Sapporo's story. Beyond their welcoming interiors lies a city of snow-covered boulevards, illuminated parks, lively food districts, mountain scenery, and seasonal festivals that reveal why Hokkaido's capital continues to captivate travelers throughout the year. Beyond Sapporo's elegant boutique hotels lies a city where northern landscapes, modern culture, and traditional hospitality come together in remarkable harmony. Wide tree-lined avenues, snow-covered parks, vibrant shopping districts, and mountain views create an atmosphere unlike anywhere else in Japan. Another outstanding accommodation choice is Junior Tower Hotel Nikko Sapporo, a sophisticated property rising above the city beside Sapporo Station. Spacious rooms, contemporary interiors, exceptional restaurants, and panoramic views combine to create one of Hokkaido's most rewarding luxury hotel experiences while often representing excellent value outside peak holiday periods. Throughout the hotel, floor-to-ceiling windows showcase sweeping views across Sapporo and the surrounding mountains. Elegant lounges, refined dining venues, and a renowned spa create a peaceful retreat where guests can relax after a day exploring the city. Travelers seeking another premium boutique experience should also consider Lodge & Stay Sapporo Odori, a stylish hotel blending contemporary Japanese design with Hokkaido-inspired comfort. Thoughtfully designed guest rooms, welcoming public spaces, and excellent facilities create a relaxing stay that continues Sapporo's reputation for affordable luxury. Inside, warm timber finishes, soft lighting, modern furnishings, and carefully designed communal areas reflect the understated elegance found throughout many of Japan's finest boutique hotels. Every detail contributes to an atmosphere that feels refined without becoming overly formal. Many of Sapporo's leading hotels also feature traditional Japanese bathing facilities, wellness centers, rooftop lounges, and outstanding restaurants celebrating Hokkaido's internationally recognized cuisine. These carefully curated amenities allow guests to enjoy authentic regional experiences while surrounded by contemporary comfort. Beyond the hotels, Sapporo offers experiences that extend far beyond its famous winter reputation. Odori Park, the historic clock tower, local markets, art museums, charming cafes, and lively entertainment districts reveal a city that remains welcoming and enjoyable throughout every season. The surrounding neighborhoods each provide their own distinct character. Some offer easy access to shopping and dining, while others provide quieter streets lined with boutique cafes, galleries, and local restaurants where visitors can experience everyday life in Hokkaido's vibrant capital. Although winter transforms Sapporo into one of Asia's premier snow destinations, every season offers something unique. Spring blossoms brighten the parks, summer brings colorful festivals and pleasant temperatures, autumn fills the city with vibrant foliage, and winter blankets the landscape in spectacular snow. Sapporo also serves as an ideal gateway to Hokkaido's natural beauty. Scenic mountain ranges, volcanic landscapes, hot springs, picturesque lakes, and renowned ski resorts are all within reach, making the city an excellent base for exploring Japan's northern island. Perhaps the greatest surprise is the level of luxury available at such competitive prices. Spacious accommodation, refined service, beautifully designed interiors, and premium guest facilities consistently deliver an experience that rivals many of Japan's most expensive destinations while remaining comfortably accessible. Ultimately, Sapporo demonstrates that exceptional travel experiences are often found where thoughtful design, genuine hospitality, and remarkable value come together. Its boutique hotels reflect the calm sophistication of Hokkaido itself, offering visitors an unforgettable stay in one of Japan's most distinctive cities. For travelers searching for elegant accommodation, alpine-inspired comfort, and world-class hospitality without paying premium metropolitan prices, Sapporo stands among Japan's finest discoveries. Beyond the snow-covered streets and famous festivals lies a sophisticated collection of boutique hotels that perfectly capture the welcoming spirit of Hokkaido.